knows who we are, what we do, in a very positive way. And they are expecting for us to come. They are waiting for our services. They know that if there are volunteers or vets here, they know that we will be bringing something additional to it. So we have become part of the daily life of the community in a positive way, in terms of they know where to go if they need a vet service for their dog or cat, and they know if they've heard from one of our volunteers or vets anything about the health of their animals. So I am very proud of the job that we have been doing during these years, and the exchange that we have with the people of the community every day, so they can learn more about the health of their animals, and also how important it is to have them healthy, spayed, vaccinated. In my opinion, and according to what I've heard as well, it is a very positive exchange that we have with them, and we always feel very welcome. Our volunteers feel very welcome with the people living here or in the Highlands.